Aren.
Okay. Today we're talking about what example I'm going to That's a real cough though. I'm not joking, that's a real cough though. People can't make fake coughs that do that. Okay, today we're gonna talk about when we cough. We cough mainly because of carbon dioxide, like dirty air stuck in our body. When we suck, this is gonna be a short video. When we suck air, we definitely, some of us definitely suck dirty air. So when this dirty air gets to our throat, usually the organs of our body trap them, and when they throw them out, we cough because it's dirty air. It's like that. So, for example, like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you leave a comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.